Hello everyone, my name is Sadam Fadilah. Here I will present my paper result with the title about web-based application design. Step for testing, introduction, methods, discussion, result. Introduction. The development of information technology today has influenced the community in carrying out daily activities, especially in the field of education, including software engineering. One of the information technology that is developing is the Internet. Internet is a collection of computers or servers that are connected to each other through various media. Methods. Several stages of the research method will be carried out as follows. System understanding and literature study. At stage and literature study related to software development is carried out as a whole by collecting the required information. That literature study relates to basic theories. System design. System design at this stage is carried out system design from software using literature studies. They have been studying and studying technologies that have been applied to existing application. Because this stage is the most important stage in the series of application creation and effective implementation stage. Implementation and the stage is carried out on the implementation of the system design that has been made. This stage realize what has been contained in the previous stage into an application as planned. Reporting at this stage is done to make a report of all the basic theories and methods used as well and the result obtained during the work of the final project. Stage of research. In a necessary research stage on analysis, starting from the need analysis to design of the system that will make. One way to analyze system requirement is to use a use case because the use case can capture what is needed in a system. Result. The result of the study are design method. The design method used for making this application is the MDLC Multimedia Development Life Cycle. Methodology source from letter year 1994, described by Stupa in Multimedia Application in Education, year 2011, by consists of 6 steps, namely concept. In this tag, the identification of the estimate net resulting from observation. Then research and analysis of multimedia technology is carried out. Design is the stage of making specification, including program architecture, style, appearance, and material requirement or material for the program. Then specifications are made as detailed as possible so that in the next step, namely collection and assembly materials, now decision making is no longer needed. It is enough to use the description that have been determined in this stage. Data collection. At this stage in the stage of collection material used is this study. The material used include audio, image, text, and video. Testing. The testing is carried out after completing the assembly phase by running the application or program and seeing whether an error or not. Distribution. At this stage, the application will be stored in a storage multimedia. At this stage, if the storage media is not sufficient to accommodate the application, then a compression is made to the application. Discussion. One, interactive web-based application is an application that can be accessed via the internet, and this time is turned out to be more and more widely used. Many of the growing companies are using web-based application in planning their resource and for managing their companies. Web-based application can be used for a variety of different purposes. For example, web-based application can be used to generate invoice and provide an easy way of storing that in database. This application can also be used to manage inventory because this feature is very useful. Not only that, web-based application can also work monitoring in terms of display system. In fact, the number of web-based application is not countless and can be ordered and customized according to the customer needs. In addition, in addition to this to the function on of the competitive effect of web-based application is that they are lightweight and can be accessed quickly via a browser and internet connection or internet to the server. To application usage, Java is a programming language that can create all form of the application, desktop, web, mobile, and other as created using other conventional programming languages. Eclipse is an IDE integrated development environment. What is used to develop software and can be run on all platform. US platform independent. Android SDK is a tool for programmer who want to develop application based on Google Android. The Android SDK includes a comprehensive set of development tools. Upmark allow anyone to create content application according to user question with just a point and click technique. Thanks. That is all from me. Bye bye.